Boy gets his service done.
I'll be going to the junkyard tomorrow.
G's worth of work on my truck. Oh man, there's a ball. Don't drink Bud Light. Don't drink Bud Light and drive your truck.
First look. Look at that. Oh my. Look at those wheels. Cloth interior. Oh, it has the extra room in the back. Minor stuff. But look at them wheels. Be fine.
What kind of lift are we talking here? Oh, yeah, that's a 6-inch lift right there. Plus you got these fat big boy wheels.
Dude, this thing's like almost taller than me right there.
And you wanted to tow a trailer with it. Look at
You could tow a trailer with it. You gotta want to get one of the. You gotta get one of those that go down to you. Hey, don't hit me with that.
Let's see what kind of grill this guy had. Oh, here's why they crashed.
Do it.
This guy's been refilling his blinker fluid.
Overflow.
Yeah, that's his blinker fluid right there.
Dude, so far, I love it.
Not impressed?
I love it.
So far, I'm not impressed.
Dang. It looks like only one of the tires or rims are scratched. No, this one's scratched a little too.
Dude, it's curb rash. Who gives a crap? First thing you do is you take off that Harley Davidson sign. People are gonna think you're like some motorcyclist.
It's the actually I like it that there's more room behind the back seats. That's the.
Yeah, here's what you're gonna like the most. Here's what you're gonna like the most. If Koika ever kicks you out of the house. Oh yeah, you see it. Yeah, right there.
What?
Full bed.
Oh yeah.
Full, dude.
We'll definitely need new seats.
You can fit a regular mattress in here.
We'll definitely look at this seat right here. Come here.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting new seats.
This right here could be repaired for $100, or we could spend $1,000 and get you leather.
Well,
it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer.
$1,000.
You don't have steps?
What is this?
So you got warranty on your brakes, a full warranty on your disc brakes.
Nice.
Brakes warranty. Warranty on your tires.
Till how many miles?
Doesn't say how many miles. Check this out. So this is your alignment.
What was the bill?
$3,300, and this was done on 133,000 miles in Rockland, California.
Is it a date?
And this was on the August 1st, 2020. And this truck crashed. So like August, homeboy or homegirl, Cody goes and we should probably blur the last name.
Yeah.
Whatever, you know what? Gets a full service on a truck. Track bar bushings, ball joints, stabilizer bushings, wheel spin and balance, tire pressure monitoring. Oh, you got tire pressure monitoring system. Cody had it. You had it now. Brakes. He had his full resurface of the rear rotors, replace and rebuild the calipers. Dude, guy spends $3,000 servicing his truck. and then crashes the thing. This thing was towed into the junkyard. This was towed in to the yard on the 10th. So
less than like
October
2 months.
26th.
So like 2 months.
Boy gets his service done.
I'll be going to the
I
junkyard
just did
tomorrow.
3 G's worth of work on my truck. And the truck is, oh man, there's a pole. Don't drink Bud Light. Don't drink Bud Light and drive your truck. Do one or the other. Preferably just drive your truck. Don't drink.
Wonder how long they last till, so you know, if something happens.
I drive my truck. Oh, there's a pole.
Someone's excited.
Too much Ram, not enough Dodge. Can you imagine?
Okay, let's get to work.
Schmuck crashed his truck after spending 3 G's servicing it. You know, think about it. What you buy? You can take 3.5 off the top because that's the service you would have been doing anyways. But your homeboy Cody did it for you. The guy's name was Cody.
For the record, his name was Cody.
No, I'm saying, I've never met a guy who was a Cody, like an engineer. Like, here's our head engineer, Cody. It would be like, here's our like lead dockhand, Cody, smashing a monster. All right, dude, but look, this thing is clean. No rust, no nothing.
Yeah, it's from California.
So I told you, Cali truck, man. This tire alone's probably like $5 right there. You're basically making money with this. Freaking Cody. This looks like a truck Cody would drive.
Let's get your stuff unloaded, then get to work. So far the damage looks not as bad as I thought it was. Looks pretty good. The frame here looks straight. The rails. Is this one straight? This one looks a little
within spec. It's not, it's maybe like 4 mils over, but
it'll get it done. But yeah,
the thing is,
my biggest.
Look at how much adjustment. So you have the bumper bolts onto this bracket. This bracket bolts onto the frame. Every bolt can move a certain amount. So as long as we get a bumper that, and especially if you're going aftermarket, like you're gonna put the big wrench hand on the front there, you'll be fine.
My biggest thing, so the engine wasn't hit. It looked like it just bumped up to it.
Just lightly smushed it.
Yeah.
Light smushing the. Alex knows all about that.
So until we actually get this stuff off,
okay,
we're not gonna be able to know.
That's gonna be an issue right there.
On this frame right here.
That crinkle.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pull that.
It's doable. I mean, like when we get that off, we'll just. Yeah. Yeah, so far so good. So the plan for today is simple. Take everything that we need to replace off the truck, make a list of what we need, and I don't think so we're gonna make it to the junkyard today to pick up the stuff, so that's gonna be tomorrow morning. We're gonna go to the junkyard, get as much stuff as we need. But yeah, pretty simple. I'm so happy that the frame's not damaged. The worst for now is this piece right here, but that's easily fixable. Just take that off, pull this back, should be good. As long as the engine is not damaged over there, that's gonna be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking this apart, see how it goes. Okay, a little bit of an update. Well, we try to do it the right way, and then end up upgrading to the big guns. So, so we knew there might be some damage behind that we can't see. So we're gonna need a new power steering pump because that's bent. You could technically just buy that, but because the tank is damaged, just get the whole set. And this, let me look inside.
$150.
Basically, as you can see, it's just bent in, and so it doesn't look like it damaged this. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Basically got most of it off. It's all right there. We're doing good timing. Okay, so basically right now, we're going to try to start it up to see if the engine is knocking or anything. So fingers crossed. This is the most nervous. Okay, we good?
Yeah.
Start it up.
Legit. Let me do this.
Okay.
Доверься профессионалам.
A little nervous.
У нас начало. Nice.
We need to drag it back to Copart and sell it to the next one.
I think this is good. Awesome.
Would you like to buy a truck?
I'll probably be the guy that wins. Well, not as much damage as I thought it was going to be. I was hoping for as least as possible, so that's good. So basically we took everything that we can here, and what's next, we got to straighten out this bar here and this here where you can see it went in. And to do that, the easiest way is to take it into the shop, and they have a frame machine, but they have like other projects in the way, so we won't be able to drive in yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until they're done. They should be done around 5. Let's see what time it is right now. It is 4:30, so about half an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna go get some food because we haven't ate yet. And yeah, come back, take it in, pull it on the frame machine, get as much done today as possible, take this off, take that off, make a list of what we need, and tomorrow morning go into the junkyard to pick up the parts. Okay, the plan is now get that thing in the shop. Hold up. It looks like it doesn't have power steering fluid in there, so it's pretty hard to turn. What?
I would honk the horn, but we disconnected that. Alright,
Shut it off.
sure thing, boss. Did I do good, boss?
You did all right. Took a minute, but we got it in.
This thing's supposed to smile on my face.
You look like a little kid. Yeah, so basically the reason why it wasn't turning in, or had to like back up a lot, because there's no power steering and it's really hard to turn the wheel, so the tires would turn.